Hey, this is Clarissa from Toyota of Gladstone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the navigation features in the 2019 Toyota Avalon. So first we're going to go to Menu, Destination, and then Search. And then we're going to be searching whatever location we want to be going to. So we're going to go ahead and do our location. And then I'll be popping up to the exact coordinates of where we are, and it'll show on the screen. If you'd like to save this location, you can press there and make it a favorite. Another way to add your favorites is if you go to Home, actually Menu, my apologies, Setup, all the way down to Navigation, Favorites, and then you can add new favorites. You can do points of interest, recent destinations, current location, or search an address.